Hello 7th grade, how are you today? Today we are going to start with the first grammar of future. This is will. And we are going to talk about going to in the next class. So let's start. In our lesson today, students should be able to recognize and understand the use of will and want, the forms of the structure, and practice the structure by making questions and answers. Okay, now how do we use will? We use will if we want to talk about something will happen in the future. Maybe I can make a prediction or something actually will happen in the future. So in this situation, we use will. Let's start with the forms of will. The affirmative form of will. Look at this sentence. We will have flying car in the future. So this is a prediction of having flying car in the future. We use here will. We know that in each sentence we have to start by using what? The subject. Excellent. After the subject we have will. Will is always followed by infinitive verb as we see here. Have is a verb 1. So will have to be followed with infinitive verb. Then we complete the sentence flying car in the future. This is the object. So the form of the sentence is subject will plus infinitive verb, then the object. Now, how can we negate the sentences by using will? We say will not or won't. Look at this sentence. We want to drive flying car in the future. We will not drive flying car in the future. So we negate this sentence by using will not. We add not with will, so it will be won't. We is the subject, will not, and the infinitive verb, this is excellent, drive a flying car in the future. So this is the negative form of will. Now, how can we make a question by using will? Look at this example. Will you go to the doctor next week? Next week indicates the future tense. Excellent. So we start our question by using will, then the subject, any subject that we want, you, I, the nouns. Okay, then we use infinitive verb go to the doctor next week complement. So the form of will, if we want to make a question, is will plus subject plus infinitive verb plus the complement object. We can answer the question yes, I will, no, I won't, or yes, I will go to the doctor next week. Full answer. Now let's practice this structure. We want to complete these sentences by using will or want. Let's remember which kind of verb that we use after will or want. Excellent. Infinitive verb. Let's start with the first one. He what a doctor in the future. We have this verb be. We is the subject, and after the subject we have will be excellent a doctor in the future. Number 2, she a great presentation about animals next week, and we have the verb make. Is it an infinitive verb? Of course, yes. So let's complete this sentence. She will make, yes, a great presentation about animals next week. Number 3, they what laptops in their schools in 2025. We have the verb use. They, yes, excellent, they will use. The last one, the children watch incredible things in the future. We have not and invent. So, what is the negative form of will? Excellent. The children won't invent or will not invent incredible things in the future. Write these sentences in your grammar notebook, please. Exercise number 2. Correct the mistakes in these sentences. Here we have 2 sentences, and in each sentence we have a mistake. Let's correct it. Number 1. They won't make a robot in their project. Can we negate the sentence by using this form of will? No, so the mistake is this word. Let's correct it. What can we say? They will not or won't, excellent, make a robot in their project. Number 2, Mom will bought some of beautiful things for our new room. Mom will bought. Where is the mistake here? Yes, excellent, bought. This is, yes, a past verb. And after will, we have to use what? Infinitive verb, excellent. What is the infinitive verb of bought? This is excellent, buy. So the sentence is Mom will buy excellent some of beautiful things for our new room. Don't forget that this is the negative form of will, and we must put after will what? Infinitive verb, yes. The third question, make questions. Look at this sentence, Mom will buy a new car next Monday. Let's make yes or no question. We said that any questions we start by using will. Excellent. Will, then the subject. So, will Mom buy a new car next Monday? The answer is yes, she will. We can make another question with long answer. Let's make a new car as an answer. We start the question by using excellent what. So the question is, what will Mom buy next Monday? What? Yes, she will buy a new car next Monday. So these are two kinds of questions, yes or no question and long question. That's it for today. In the next class, we are going to start explanation, going to structure. So please be ready.